Now the second reaction, when acid react with metal carbonate, now what happens when acid react with metal carbonate? Metal carbonate, and you know the formula of the carbonate, CO3. Metal carbonate means sodium carbonate, calcium carbonate, like this. Now here you see, like sodium carbonate, calcium carbonate, etc. Now when sodium carbonate react with HCl, it will form sodium chloride, H2O plus carbon dioxide gas. Here it is the sodium chloride in the form of salt and water, and this one. Now when sodium carbonate react with hydrochloric acid, it will form sodium chloride, water, and carbon dioxide gases evolved. Balance the equations. Now remember it, when the compounds containing carbonate, this, on heating, during the reaction, it will produce carbon dioxide gas. Remember it. This is the first condition, and they will form carbon dioxide gas and the water and the salt. And this reaction is taking place when acid react with metal carbonate. Another one, calcium carbonate plus H2SO4, calcium sulfate plus water plus CO2. Here you see CO2, here you see the CO2, H2O. Only the difference in the salt, here it is formed sodium chloride and here it is formed calcium sulfate. Now the sodium carbonate react with hydrochloric acid, it forms sodium chloride, water and carbon dioxide gas. When calcium carbonate react with sulfuric acid, it will form calcium sulfate, water and the carbon dioxide. Now the product, you see the product, water and the CO2, water and the CO2, because the compounds containing carbonate, this carbonate, and on heating or during the reaction, it will produce carbon dioxide. Now how will you say this gas is carbon dioxide? How will you say? When you will pass this carbon dioxide gas in a lime water, it will changes into milky in color, and this is the confirmatory test of the carbon dioxide. When you will pass this carbon dioxide in a lime water, it will changes into milky in color, and this is the confirmatory test of the carbon dioxide here. And the confirmatory test of the hydrogen, previous reaction you have learned. Then the hydrogen gas, come in the contact with the lighted matchstick, it forms pop sound, and here the carbon dioxide forms milky in color. The carbon dioxide changes the lime water into milky in color. Now this much, and now another one is the metal carbonate. Remember this one, metal carbonate react with acids, it forms salt, water and carbon dioxide gas. Remember this one. When any metal of carbonate react with the acid, either it is sulfuric acid, either it is hydrochloric acid, either it is nitric acid, it will form salt and water and the carbon dioxide gas. Now here is one experiment. Shall I show the experiment? Now, the next will be what happens when the acid react with the metal hydrogen carbonate or metal bicarbonate. In the next reaction, you will learn.